potential and what she aims to do. Then later on,
Very promising, working hard. This is Sharmada Balu, who's training at Tennis Excellence for the last 1.5 years, who's just become the youngest women's player in India to win a women's international tournament in Lucknow. It's something very commendable, something amazing from a youngster in India. When she came back in April 2010, I saw a spark in her which made me feel she's more hungry than me trying to help her out. Like, she was the one who was always wanting to learn. She was the one who was always wanting to do something. So it became easier for us to work together and get things going faster than what it would normally take for any person. And we see in a year's time, from a 0 to a top 6 in the country, and even in the international rankings, she's climbed up to top 700 already, and she's working towards top 300 in the next season. So what I would put forth is, at this stage of her career, what she needs is, one, her team to be supporting her in terms of her technical aspects, in terms of her mental aspects with Mr. Sri Advani, who's a PhD, who's very qualified and very experienced mind coach. And we have on board nutritionist Ryan Fernando, who's been helping her with her nutrition, which has made a huge difference. And the link that's missing as of now is the support system in terms of the finances, where we are trying to work around things where she needs a lot of visibility for people to come forward to sponsor, especially the corporates, which will let her work very professionally through her career so that she keeps climbing ladders as quick as she's been doing in the initial stages. So I would first of all congratulate her for what she's done, and I'm very proud of her for what she's been working around with.
Than me and better ranking than me, and I went there to play my best tennis, and I'm very happy that I could do that, and it feels really great to have won this tournament, because I was hoping to win a tournament at this level soon, but I didn't know that it was going to be this soon. So it feels really great to have won this tournament then.
Ordinary. As Arjun said, she's really hungry and very receptive, a great student. I mean, we're all students in our respective fields, we never stop learning. But Sharmada's drive to learn is abnormally large, and that appetite for education, for improvement, is what's brought her to where she is, and which is going to take her to winning several Grand Slams. I have no doubt that she'll do that. Thank you.
I can play better at the higher level and reach my goal faster, and I'm going there to train with one of the most top fitness coach. His name is Javier Capitan, and he's trained many professional tennis players like Sharapova and Nalbandian, and we are looking for sponsorships so that it would be helpful for me to train there longer so that I can reach my goal even faster.
Sorry? Under 18, number 2.
You won Newark Tata. 6-3, 2-6, 6-2. 2-6, 6-2. ಫೈನಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈನಲ್ಸ್ ಅದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಆಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈನಲ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಇಬ್ರಿಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೈ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಆಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಗೇಮ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಆಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಬೇರೆ, ಸೊ ಟಫ್ ಇತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಚು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೌಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಆಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನನ್ಗಿಂತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಡಕ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಬೇರೆ. ಸೊ
Any other question?
ನನಗೆ 17 ವರ್ಷ. ನಾನು ಈಗಿನ ಲಕ್ನೋವಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆದ್ದು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದು ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್, ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ITF ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್. ಇದು ಗೆದ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನೀಗ ಸ್ಪೇನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಆಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಫಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೆಟರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಥರ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೇಗ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಗೋಲ್ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಾವೀಗ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನನ್ನ ಗೋಲ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಂಬಲ್ಡನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಗೆ.